Most men look weak, and they don't even know it. Not because of how they dress, not because of how they talk, but because of small behaviors they repeat every single day. And the worst part, nobody tells you this. People don't correct you, they just lose respect for you quietly. Let me be real with you for a second, bro. Most men don't look weak because of how they dress or how they speak. They look weak because of small behaviors they repeat every single day without even noticing. And the dangerous part? Nobody tells you this. Your friends won't say it. People around you won't correct you. They'll just feel it. And slowly, they stop respecting you. Not because you're a bad person, but because your behavior signals something deeper. So today, I'm breaking down 7 behaviors that make you look weak, even if you think you're doing everything right. And the last one? That's the one that quietly destroys respect without you even realizing it. Pay attention. Number 1, over-explaining everything. This one is everywhere. You send a message, then another one, trying to make sure everything is clear. But let me tell you something. Clarity isn't the problem. Fear is. Over-explaining is what happens when you don't trust your own words. When you feel like you need to justify yourself, prove yourself, soften everything you say. You're not communicating. You're negotiating your value. Strong men don't do that. They say things once. Clean. Direct. No pressure. Example. Instead of writing a whole paragraph explaining why you were busy, you say, "I was tied up. What's up?" And that's it, because confidence doesn't add extra words. It removes them. Number 2, seeking validation. Now this one is dangerous because most guys don't even notice they're doing it. You're not asking directly, but everything you do is designed to get approval. You adjust your opinions. You laugh at things that aren't funny. You agree just to keep the vibe smooth. And here's the truth most people won't say. The moment your energy says, "I hope they like me," you lose respect. Because people don't respect someone who depends on their approval. They respect someone who is okay without it. Strong men don't perform. They don't shapeshift depending on the room. They express, even if it's uncomfortable, even if it's not popular. Because real confidence isn't about being liked. It's about being solid. Number 3, reacting too fast. You reply instantly. You react emotionally. You jump into situations without thinking, and it feels normal to you. But from the outside, it looks like you're not in control, and control is everything. When a man can't control his reactions, his emotions, his timing, he looks predictable, and predictable kills presence. Calm men move differently. They pause. They think. They choose their response instead of reacting automatically. That small delay? That's power. Because it shows you're not controlled by the moment. You control yourself. Number 4, avoiding conflict. This is where a lot of nice guys lose respect. You don't speak up when something bothers you. You say it's fine when it's clearly not. You let things slide again and again, just to keep peace. But that's not peace. That's silent frustration. And people feel that. They feel when you're holding things in. And instead of respecting you for being easygoing, they start seeing you as someone who won't stand up for himself. Boundaries are uncomfortable, but they're necessary. Because the moment you're afraid to lose someone, you lose your ability to be honest. And honesty is where respect comes from. Number 5, trying to impress. This one is subtle. You talk about your achievements, your plans, your lifestyle, thinking it increases your value. But the truth is, the more you try to prove your value, the more it looks like you don't believe in it. Because real value doesn't need constant explanation. It shows up naturally through how you speak, how you move, how you carry yourself. Think about it. The most confident person in the room isn't talking the most. He's the one who looks like he doesn't need to. That's presence, and presence can't be faked. Number 6, having no direction. This one goes deeper than you think. If your life has no structure, no goals, no clear direction, you start drifting. You wake up without purpose. You react to whatever happens during the day. You follow instead of leading, and people feel that energy instantly. A man without direction looks lost, even if he tries to act confident. But a man with direction, he moves differently. He's not chasing attention. He's building something. And that creates natural respect, because people are drawn to movement, not potential. And number 7, this is the one most guys completely miss: being too available, always replying fast, always free, always saying yes. At first, it feels like you're being a good person, reliable, present, easy to reach. But over time, it sends a different message. It tells people that your life has no weight, no priorities, no structure. Because if you're always available, it means nothing important is pulling your attention away, and that kills respect. That kills attraction, that kills mystery. Strong men are present, but they're not always accessible. There's a difference. Their time has value, and not everyone gets unlimited access to it. Look, none of these behaviors make you a bad person, but they do shape how people see you. And more importantly, how they feel around you. Because weakness isn't about physical strength. It's about how you carry pressure, how you handle yourself, how you move through situations. So if you recognized yourself in any of these, good. Because most men go their entire lives without realizing it. Awareness is where it starts. Correction is where it changes. Drop in the comments which one hit you the hardest. And if you're serious about leveling up, watch the next video, because fixing these behaviors is step 1. Becoming someone people respect without trying, that's a different game. And we're just getting started.